Huh.
Hey there.
Hey, small.
Wait for you guys, the rest of you guys to get here. Yeah, let's go over some of the stuff. So
Yep.
weapons are 2 autos, 1 rocket.
Yes.
No spawns, so the spawn boundary I think for allies is here.
Yeah.
And on axis is the other sandbags, like the right by the stairs and yeah, broken up.
Yeah, you can't get past sandbags.
I'll just check with you the boundary because I'll show you the boundary you're using. Basically doing this wall diagonal across, so across from Neverwerther, this wall here, and this wall here.
Okay.
So axis can't be up here. Same for allies really. Anything else? Movable breakable barricades, but there's no props really on this map.
Yeah, there's like a
Rifle
few
grenade
tables or
firing
something.
allowed. Say again, sorry?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, anything else? What am I missing? All pickups. No floating, no skyboxing. Floating means 75% of you have to be on site. Nade firing allowed. AVA is basically on here we do it 30 seconds. You can prone, but you can only do it 30 seconds.
Okay.
Round times are 20 minutes as well.
What's the setup?
Other than
10
that, I think
setup?
that's
10?
everything. You're the visitors, so what side would you like?
We would like access side first.
Axis? Okay, doke.
Gee, what
So
is
first MRB, company salute.
Six return.
Yeah, other than that, any questions? Give me a shout.
All
Good
right,
luck.
man. Appreciate it. Thanks. You too, man.
Get anything, did I?
I think you're good. Kentucky thing. Make sure you turn off if you didn't.
I'm just waiting spawn. You know your teams, you know which way you're going. Talk in your teams in Discord unless everyone else needs to hear it. Watch for grenades when we get to that front part. Take everything slow, we've got 20 minutes.
Should I take a assault for attack?
Take whatever you want really, but it's up to you. Smoke might be helpful.
Is it all pickup? I missed that.
Pickup. It's all pickups by the way, guys, just in case. So you can pick up enemy weapons, right? So if your enemy drops the STG and you want it, pick it up. Point in team pickup. Is it even realistic? Like, oh, my gun's out of ammo. I'm not going to pick up this gun on the floor that has ammo.
I think the idea is you don't pick up the enemy guns, so you don't get shot on act. That's the idea, I believe. But that's more for real life than it is in, you know, a video game.
Even for real life, like, there's a lot of recorded instances of Americans using STG. They're a popular gun. The Germans use PPSHs all the time.
It's the same in Vietnam when they pick up AKs.
Yeah. And they did the same with tanks, for fuck's sake.
You die, GI, you go home.
I will kill you, GI, I will kill you.
I can't remember the last time I played in an official. I think that was against the 34th.
Was it? Or was it against the 6th again? Because I remember we did Hillside.
It might have been. It might have been that. That map made me want to shoot myself. I just don't like that map. It's so fucking annoying to attack.
Let's take this sector back, men!
Move
Move out!
Watch for grenades. I don't know if they can, but might be able to.
They probably will, so let's hang. We might want to hang back for a second.
Your team, Wilson's going left.
Don't go to the next.
Meanwhile, they're all on.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that way. It's just a choke point.
You guys are going to go
Nate
right
behind you,
Simone.
Ford. Ford, your team's going with the left. We're going right.
Right. We're
Wait,
getting there. We
we're
thought we were
sure.
going right.
See if you can get a nade up there, Ford. You're going left, Candy, with your...
Yeah. Yeah.
Go, okay.
Beware of your nade space, guys. You're standing too tight.
Right, who wants to take point? Crafton, you can take point. Watch the rooftop.
Yeah, somebody took a shot from it. Sounded like the top and the right, or the left. I'm not sure.
Don't go in that doorway on the right.
Grenade.
Crafton. One back behind Neverworther. There's one up there. Low, can you come to... Take Crafton with you and clear the house. Last time you'll die, you're in. Please kill one of them. Thank you. Nice try.
Shot me through the wall. That's a
Right,
bullet.
get to your spots fast.
I was really
Guys,
tempted
you
to
can
take
tell
clutch
it's
or
not an easy
ban.
map to attack on, so get your spots.
I had two of them shooting at.
I don't have a spot small where you want me.
Personage, yeah, I need a spot for you. Ford, you don't
Come
you have a
here.
spot? Person, you're gonna be back here.
Oh, my bad.
I'm on my way. I just got a desk in my head.
Where did I put you, Craft? I put you further up, didn't I? Candy, you're here, back here. Candy's kind of backing you up. Crafton, where did I put someone here? I put you here, Crafton, didn't I?
Sorry, Wilson. Fucked it.
It's okay, I'm gonna destroy it.
Person, come with me. Ford, where are you? Come out to the main point. Ford there, come with me. Got a Ucar there. Ford, I might put you with Wilson, so you're just playing back here. So this wall here, up to you.
Sure. Remember, guys,
Person,
attack's coming fast on this. If you look like you're in trouble, make sure find a place
you're
to fall
watching
back to.
Crafton's back,
Fall
okay?
Cool,
So
cool,
we'll watch
cool,
from here
cool.
to watch Crafton's
I know,
back.
I know. I'm right behind you, Crafton.
Just fall back and Candy's covering you. Candy, don't shoot Person or Craft.
I won't. Might shoot him in the butt, but that's okay. He'll live.
And just fire your nades
Hello,
after about
my
10
birds.
seconds. Like, wait, like 10-ish seconds and fire your nade at the broken. Anyone not ready?
Ready.
Small, watch the tunnel. from the little rooftop. It's not on the top, but it's by the
Defend
ladder
the
with
area,
sandbags.
men! Our positions are under attack!
Just let me know if somebody's watching their right side, if they cross over to the left by tunnel.
Hold your spots, guys.
Fallback point is a jeep. Listen for nades, Candy.
Right there.
It's a nade, call it out, whoever's near Candy as well.
Roger that. Hold firm, guys.
Okay. Smoke.
Smoke out. Grenade it.
Smoke me.
Don't shoot the nade too high. Shoot a skybox, it's a replay on the right.
Good job, Ucar.
Nice, nice Ucar.
Probably coming to you low.
Oh, one's in tunnel. It's behind the sandbag in tunnel.
One cross.
Where's the contact? Nice shot, Crafton.
Fall back if you have to, Crafton. I cover
One
you.
behind tunnel. Dead.
Nice, guys. You're pouring it on.
Come this side.
Come back behind me, Crafton. Go back over to here. Watch
Whoever
that
got
way.
hit by the nade, fall back.
One by tunnel coming up.
Good
Good
shit,
job,
Logue.
Logue.
Logue, you might want to move back a bit, because they're going to try and nade you.
They're coming up to you again, Logue. One more.
Got your back if you need to pull back, person.
Not yet.
Are they up on the platform, Logue? Is that what? Nade down then, nade down the ladder, because you're probably just sort of sitting down.
Good job,
Falling
Mark.
back, Candy. Right behind you.
Pushing cat.
Contact, falling back. One on the right side.
In the back alley.
Crafton.
Person below you on that right.
Yeah, I got it.
Needing a platform.
Ucar, watch out there to your right below you. Ucar, go back. Yeah, they're coming into the alleyway now.
Oh shit, Logue.
Grenade.
To the right, small, be careful.
Shit, one's over by the top. He's over by the tunnel. Fell back. Tunnel one.
He's left.
Tunnel still. Remember guys, there's only one guy left right now. Don't try to go hunt him down, let him come to you.
Contact.
Where's he at? Call it out. Ucar, where is it?
I don't know what it's called.
Right side, right side.
Yeah, right side.
Okay, where?
Good shit, pass.
Good work,
Thank you,
guys.
thank you.
Everybody here in Wilson's group, let's get together.
Getting your team.
Remember, riflemen, get ready, stack up on me.
Stay in
Grenade.
spawn. Where are you going? Stop! Get in spawn. Where the fuck y'all going?
I was following Candy, sorry.
That was my bad.
Jesus fucking.
There's seagulls in Nemo. That's what that reminds me of. Fucking snake got pistoled in the face.
Remember, watch your nades again. When you get to this building here, take it slow, because there's going to be a lot of nades. So Candy and Wilson's team is going right again, my team's going left again.
You, okay. Last time you told us to go left, that's why we went left.
Well, yes, because it changes side each map. Because
Oh,
I
I
said
see.
at the start,
I see.
if you're going
gotcha.
left on
Gotcha.
left on allies, you're going right on exit.
Alright, so we're going across, we are shooting the grenades and going across the other side with the archway. I'm just
Yeah.
making sure that's what
Everyone's
you want.
like shooting a grenade.
Right?
Yeah, everyone's shooting grenades, but keep one grenade, of course.
Yeah, we're only gonna shoot one. Yeah, definitely.
Alright, let's take a guess. One's gonna be up on top, hiding in the little wooden rafter. One's gonna probably be in the left building up top. It's probably gonna be 2 or 3 in the right side, probably the rocket, the auto. Maybe both. Let's see, and I think the half of the rest of them will probably be in the back.
Yeah.
Please, God, don't leave me alive as the last person. That's such a shit feeling, too, because it's like, well, I want to kill as many as I can, but I'm probably gonna die.
I like being the last person.
I don't.
Because it means I don't have to really try. I can just run around shooting shit.
I can feel my fucking heart going through my chest, because I was like, I gotta clutch. I gotta clutch. Oh, wait.
Go back. Go back.
Fertig machen zum Angriff!
Hit
Das
what's for nade.
muss genommen werden!
Yeah, hold for grenades,
Just hang
guys.
out over here.
You're on point again, Crafton, with like, you don't need to clear the building.
There's nobody
I
going
wonder.
through the upstairs building, or are we just all going to the bottom?
Go. We can go for the upstairs building if you want, but I think they're going to be watching the doorway. Yeah, the doorway
Would you
out
like
there.
me to go
We're
be
moving
bit
up,
and figure
small.
that out? I can do that. I'll just run across. No way.
Let the Lemmings go.
Oh, I am. Crafton's your point, man. I'm the
Don't
fucking.
back up there, because the nade one.
Is damage? Shot fired, shot fired.
Bad nade.
You can go up to and get some pics.
I'm crawling past the window, right?
Nade, nade, nade.
They're close.
I'm at the
Double
bottom of the
windows up
stair.
top, one shooting. Small, the 2 windows up top.
One tunnel.
Fall back,
Right
fall
side.
back.
Just get fucked.
Lost side.
Nade, Main Street.
Rocket, rocket!
I'll get a nade out. Watch.
Yeah, yeah. Probably fallen back.
Nope, he didn't.
He's just in front of.
Found
Oh shit, nade,
Nade
nade,
back.
came from up top. Wow, I didn't
Crafton,
prime.
can you get a nade up there?
Sniper window.
In apartment. I'm getting behind him.
Sniper tower.
Do you say it in sniper tower? I'm in sniper tower.
Get out.
Nice shooting, small. Nice.
I'm just gonna clear sniper tower. If I die, there's one in there.
There's
Slang
another. We're
them
pushing
so
up on the right side now, small.
Crafton down.
Nice shot. Didn't know about the spot. He didn't even see me. I ran right under.
That was the one that
Last one's
Larson
been out.
warned us about.
Ton.
Go around the side
Assault,
behind
yep,
him.
sorry,
Go for the apartment.
Get up here.
Just fucking everyone go.
One in apartment.
Nice fucking game now.
One's in the apartments beyond the one on the wall. Our side. He's got BAR, watch out.
That's clear. So.
What about the back here? I want someone to cover the back so they don't run out. Okay. I'm gonna check this all here. Alright, top floor is clear. I'm gonna go down. Don't see anyone so far. That's weird. He was behind the door like Snark was. One left, one left. Where's he at?
Behind the car, behind the train. Left side, left side. Behind the sandbag.
Fucking great job.
Nice, guys.
Nice, guys.
Fucking job, guys. Wow.
Way to go. All we gotta do is win this round, guys. Let's do
I love
this.
you guys. I love you guys.
Right, get to your spots. Whoever didn't, Person and Ford, come with me. Actually,
job
Ford, I
on
gave you a
that
spot,
one
didn't
too,
I? Ford, you're
Small.
defending Alamo with me.
Great job,
Person,
small. Great job, small.
they were a bit brain dead. I flanked round them and shot 3 of them in the back. Or 2 of them.
It's good. Okay, person, I'm watching this angle here. Might find somewhere else.
Let's don't go sucking each other's dick.
Just give me this spot. It went good last time.
All right, guys.
Yeah, but
hold
that
your
was a rocket
hold
there.
your spots. Don't unnecessarily peek here. We got this. Let them fall upon our rifles and our autos.
We need to win this, guys, so use the 20 minutes if necessary.
Person, do you want... Actually, yeah, just find a spot, Person. Don't cross boundary, though.
Small, give me
I
a
have no clue where you disappeared.
I'm up on our second.
Fucking say our second.
Just gonna go outside their spawn and wait with the flag.
So find somewhere here to defend. Me and Ford are at the Alamo, I might move forward. Is anyone not ready?
I stick
Ready.
with
Just
Wilson.
give me a second. Person, can you see me in here, in that corner? From...
Your shadow I can.
Everybody,
remember
okay,
Ford,
I can't see you in person, but just look
drop
at...
Wilson some ammo back here.
You can
got
see my
some,
shadow.
Alright, I'm gonna
some ammo there.
don't-
Some ammo there.
Don't cross the spawn, Ford, just in case. so don't cross it. So
Hey Lars, do you think I should be up
Two.
here or behind the sandbag?
sandbag.
Be
I
careful if
already
you're
got
there,
one.
because you get shot.
Hey,
I'm gonna
Small,
stand there for now.
I think it might be
Problem.
good to put one of their autos in the room.
I
with
like
both,
sitting a
maybe
little
that
bit further
corner,
back so I can get
by
out of
that-
there
by
if
that
I have to.
couch, But that's up here.
But that's because I'm bad with the
Yeah,
range.
that might be a good idea.
Oh, I took your ammo. Sorry.
Can you see my head in front of the sandbag?
Seems like a strategy
who
we
was
do every
quite
time.
far up? Load. You were
Yeah.
quite far up, weren't you?
You can.
In that
Yeah, because you
weird
can
little
see
hole.
from their sandbag. They can see the top of your head.
Yeah, it's fine. Wilson's fine. I'll back Wilson up if need be.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
I'll back
We're
you up,
ready,
Wilson.
Small. Let's do this.
Anyone not ready?
Ready?
Make sure you call out anything, guys, you see.
Sie greifen an! Wir müssen den Bereich
Remember
halten!
to nade. It's a nade. Wait
Let
10
me
seconds.
know if they start running. Okay. I'll prime a nade and throw it down.
Just remember Ucar, they can come through that door on the left. Because I think Load is watching it, so watch for Load.
I'm in that weird sniper hole.
Oh yeah, that's where you are. It was Snark who was there. Person, don't be afraid to fall back if you...
Only easy day was yesterday.
Calling out, guys.
I hear one over here.
Right side, far right, south side.
Rocket.
They charging you?
I naded it.
He's
Bazooka
moved up
tunnel.
pretty quick, but hit me pretty good with.
Watch a nade, Crafton.
Grenade,
One more time.
grenade.
Nice shot, Pet.
Nice person.
One shot person.
And he just killed
Uh-oh.
himself.
Whoops.
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, stay focused, stay focused. Good job. good job.
Grenade.
Oh shit, one more.
He was coming from tunnels when I shot him. He ran out across the
Here,
building.
Crafton, fall back. Oh,
Roger that.
At the pitch gun or what you call
Snark's
it.
They're
down.
pushing on your
Falling
left,
back.
Ucar. They're pushing on.
Alright, watch
Yeah.
out, Snark's down.
You're gonna cut.
Behind you, right behind.
Come make your
Yeah.
fall
Middle.
back,
Person, get out.
Larson.
Person.
Main Street.
Chop Ucar.
So carry down.
Nate coming
Holy
in.
shit.
Leave up.
They're in a, like that top sniper.
Alright, Crafton, let's fall. Oh, shit. Crafton, hold this here. Just watch the tunnel. Behind us. Got him. And watch the window. Yeah, just keep holding that. Just watch the tunnel, Crafton. I'll take care of behind us. If I die, they're behind. In the window.
Shot that.
That made me.
Last one. Should do admin trimmer, come on, shut your back.
Alright.
Good job, guys.
Getting near. Thank you.
Good
That
game,
was
man. Good
quite a
job.
close game actually. Defense is pretty rough on this map. Or attack, I mean, sorry.
Yeah.
This is one massive choke point where you just walk in and die. And that, I'll probably be talking to you about setting up the next one, unless, or Marsden might, or Wilson might. Actually, Marsden's away, so it won't be Marsden. It'll be me or Wilson.
Alright, sounds
If
good.
you want to add Wilson, he'll get in contact with you as well.
Already.
But other than that,
Sounds
it was
like good.
quite fun.
Sounds like
It was a fun game. Candy,
It
got
was.
anything to say?
No, great match, guys. Always fun playing with you guys.
Bert? Okay. Alright, man. Thanks for the thing.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Other than that, I'll be in contact with you about setting
Alright.
over.
6 salute.
First MLB Company Salute.
Thanks
Thanks
again,
for coming.
Small.